How to fix payment failed on Spotify. I'm going to tell you how to fix the payment failed error on Spotify, which usually pops up when your subscription can't go through. First, double check your card details. Make sure the number, expiry date, and CVV are all correct. Sometimes, the tiniest typo can mess up the payment. Next, confirm that your card or payment method is supported in your country. Spotify doesn't accept all types of banks, especially for cross border payments. If your payment info looks fine, check your bank app or contact your provider. Your card might have been blocked the transaction or flagged it as suspicious. Also, make sure you actually have enough funds or credit available. If you're using Gcash, Paymaya, or similar services, make sure the account is verified and has sufficient balance. Still not working? Try a different browser or device. Sometimes, cached data can cause errors during checkout. Worst case, remove your current payment method and re-add it or switch to a new one entirely. Once fixed, Spotify usually restores your premium automatically.